Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install sqlite on Linux. To get started, open the terminal. Now run the on-screen command to refresh the system cache. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then install sqlite with the sudo dnf install sqlite on-screen command. Confirm the process and the messages that are displayed. After that, install additional packages with the command on the screen. You can check the path where sqlite is installed with the which command. Now we install some additional packages with the following command. Then create a database using the syntax you see on the screen. Now use the commands on the screen to create the table, add information, and see the result of it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.